Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off the function to reduce transparency and blur in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for this option? First, we need to go to our phone's settings. In settings, we're looking for accessibility options menu. Next, we need to tap vision enhancements, and here on this menu we are looking for this option. So reduce transparency and blur. What does this function do? It's pretty easy to understand. We have a very short explanation. Simply reduce visual effects on dialogues and menus to make them easier to see. And we can turn it on or off using this switch right here. It's a pretty easy on or off switch. No other options or hidden menus there. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.